My name is Dr. Ryan Doerge from Mill Creek Chiropractic. Today we're going to go over some easy stretches and exercises for your lower back and your hips that can stem from repetitive stress injuries, work injuries, or even car accidents. So first we're going to go over lower back range of motion. The first thing you're going to do is bend forward and go as far as you can comfortably, not hurting yourself or causing any pain. Next, you're going to extend back as far as you can comfortably, again stopping with any pain or resistance. Next, you're going to come to a forward facing position and you're going to run your hand down the seam of your pants to the right and then again to the left as far as you can comfortably, taking it through your body through that full range of motion. Next thing you're going to do is what they call trunk rotations. You're going to have your arms out in front of you and you're going to rotate to the left and then to the right as far as you can comfortably. So the next exercise we're going to start with is an air squat. So when doing these, you want to make sure you put your arms out in front of you and comfortably come down so your knees don't stick in front of your toes, and then you're going to come straight back up in control. That's going to help strengthen your lower back and the quads. You can also do it onto a chair, a table, with your arms out front, sitting down onto the table in control, and then re-engaging your core and coming back up so you keep yourself in a strong, stable, good position. The next exercise we're going to roll into is a bird dog. A bird dog is an exercise to help strengthen your proprioceptive muscles in your core and your lower back. So what you're going to do is you're going to extend your right hand and your left leg while keeping your back level and straight, and then coming back to center and then switching and doing the opposite side. Whenever doing these exercises, you want to make sure you do the same amount on the right as you do on the left. And the last exercise we're going to go over is a bridge. A bridge is going to help strengthen the muscles of your lower back, engaging your core. So you're going to bring your hips up towards the ceiling where your knees and your pelvis become in that straight line. You're going to hold that for a count of 5 seconds and then relax and repeat. Next, we're going to go over some lower back stretches. So first, we're going to start with a pure Pform Stretch where you're going to bring your foot over on your knee, keeping your leg at a 90-degree angle straight to the ground. You're going to keep your back straight and bend forward. Your off hand is going to be supporting your foot and your knee, but it doesn't require any downward pressure. When you bring yourself forward, you're going to feel the best amount of pull from your lower back and glute. Next, we're going to roll into a hamstring stretch. This is something where you're going to put your foot up on a stool, a stair, a chair, anything where you can go a little bit elevated. You're going to flatten your foot like you're stepping on the gas pedal. Again, she can see how she's keeping her hands on her hips, keeping your back straight as you bend forward. The straighter your back stays, the less you'll have to bend forward and the more stretch you'll get out of it. Finally, we're going to go over a quad stretch. This is going to help strengthen and stretch the front part of your leg. You're going to bring your hand up to your foot while supporting yourself with a table, chair, wall, anything like that. You want to keep your knees in the same alignment so one isn't in front or behind too much. All of these stretches can be held for up to about 30 seconds.